Hey guys, so just finished work. Got a couple of things I want to do today. I've got a couple of hours to do them. I've got to try and make sure they get done. It's hot, it's muggy, it's rainy. I don't know if you guys can see that. But yeah, there's a bit of water in here due to the rain. But yeah, today my goals, I've got to get this block over there out of the way. It's going to the scrap with that one. I've got to get my block up on the engine stand, and I've got to knock a piston out. I think I'm going to pull this side cylinder head off, knock that one out, so I can check out what's going on with the head gasket and get the piston out all in one go. So what I'm going to do quickly is, off camera, I'm just going to swap this. I'm going to take this off here and pick that one up and get it ready. I've got to take the clutch flywheel assembly off there first. So I'm going to go ahead, get that off, get it ready to go on the stand, and then I'll come back. So stick around, I'll be back in a second once I've got that ready. Alright, so here we go, here it is. I've got it on the stand, put some oil and cool and shit everywhere. I've got to clean it up. I've noticed two things so far. One, this brass bushing is supposed to be the throwout bushing that the input shaft of the gearbox slots into. Now it goes down here in the crank, if I can get it in, and it's supposed to support the input shaft. It's not supposed to turn, it's supposed to be an interference fit. So that's stuffed. Also explains a noise. And secondly, this clutch disc is stuffed. Hang on, I'll just get these bolts in here. It is well and truly knackered. So this is the clutch disc that was in the car. It's a 5-button clutch. Look at this. This corner's missing off this thing everywhere. There's another one. That one's okay. That one's okay. On the other side, that one's missing. That one's okay. That one's missing. That one's missing. That one's okay. I don't know how this held up anything, but it did. So I'm gonna need probably to get this rebushed, but that's not my goal today. Today I need to get the wiring off, this cylinder head off, probably some of the accessories, drain it out of oil, get the sump off and get this piston out, and get the piston disconnected from the rod. So it's fucking hot in here, but let's start with getting this wiring off. While I work on getting the wiring off, I'll probably take the sump plug out and drain it of its oil.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Okay. This is your sandwich bag. You can just chill in there. I'm not seeing very many signs of where it was leaking. It's hard to say. Let's get it off. Have a look. I don't know, it's hard to tell. I can't see anything, nothing's standing out. I know it was definitely gone because she was milkshaked. Last time one went, it just busted out one of these centerpieces. That was what I thought was the issue. Yeah. That looks like it there. Oh. Anyway, on to bigger and better. This was definitely the one. I mean, look at how clean that is compared to these two. But that's the piston I need to get out. So that's what I'm going to get out. Flip this sucker over and get this piston out. Yummy! it gets time to drain out of it. Oil I'm worried about. I don't like the oil. So I'll try and soak up as much of that as I can. I've got to clean that shit out so I can get this other table set up so I can put all my stuff on it. But for now I can go there. She's a bit sludgy. I think that might be to do with the blown head gasket. I don't know. I'm gonna check. And that's dangerous. This is why you don't silicone your sump gaskets up. I'll have to clean all that out anyway. It's not too bad. At least there's no big end caps in there. Obviously I knew there wasn't going to be any. So I've changed my mind in the last couple of minutes. I think, yeah, see, I just used too much silicone last time I did this. Anyway. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to take number 3 or number 5 out, just because I want to keep number 1 in there so I can double check. See this mark here? I made that for the timing mark, so I want to see how far off it was. So to do that I've got to be able to stop and check and mark it and all that good stuff. So I'm gonna keep that in there, and I'm going to take out let's go the back one, let's go number 5. Yeah, I think these are a 7/16. Yep. Still looks nice and fresh, at least. Beautiful ARP rod bolts. Bearing looks alright. I'll give it a clean and a proper inspection later. Looks okay so far. Looks all good. Wings look alright. I think I'm going to repush those rods. It's too much. Anyway, spool rods. They are JE pistons. It doesn't look like they've marked them. I can't remember. It's been nearly 2 years since I built this. Spiralox, which is going to be the part I'm not looking forward to. So there you go, that's what's inside the beast. Minimal wear on the piston. Piston rings weren't binding or anything stupid. Oil ring looks alright. I think I'm going to reuse these rings. What I'm going to do is I'll check the ring end gap in the new block once it's been bored. That's why I've got to get this piston off so I can send the new block away to get bored and honed. Then what I'll do is I'll check the deck height and all that other fun stuff. Fuck, I hate Spiralox. Oh, they're painful. Spiralox, guys. They're fun. Okay, so well, that's new. Did that Spiralox create a bit of a burr? Must have. Man, these things fell together. There must have just been a fucking burr or something on it. I don't get it. Goes in that side, alright. Yeah, there we go. J94M. Alright. Top ring. Looks alright. Alright, hey guys, so that's where I'm going to end it today. It's bloody hot, I'm stuffed. My battery died just as I was finishing getting it up. I don't know why this wrist pin was tight in this piston. I am going to look into that and fix it. There it is, the J piston. They are ceramic coated tops. Anyway, I only needed to get this out so that I can get the machine work done. Just see if I can show you guys quickly why I'm pulling it apart. So, piston in there. This is a little bit loosey-goosey, but when you take it right down the bottom of the bore, it's really loosey-goosey. So that's another thing, and these pistons pop out or come past the deck height by way more than that, by at least 60 thou, which is too much. So pull it down, get it remachined. Now they've got this out, this can go with the block to the machinist. They'll machine torque plate, bore and hone it to match the piston. So in the next video I'll probably continue tearing this down. That's as far as I'm going to go today. It's hot, I need a shower, I gotta go get something to eat, etc. That's a good start. You got to have a bit of a peek inside the beast. I've got the rod wrapped up over here. That beautiful spool rod. I want to have these rebushed, so I am going to get them rebushed as well, because that little end bush feels a bit too sloppy for my liking. I've got the rings here, I'm going to reuse them. I will check the end gaps in the new block. But yeah, other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, other than that, I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, chuck a comment down below, and share and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye. Bit of bonus footage. I got these in the mail the other day. I ordered them. They are some new manifold plates. They will be going to the collectors. So I'm starting to collect some bits and pieces of the new manifolds as well. So keep an eye out for that. That's going to be coming up in a video shortly. I have already ordered some V-bands, which will make these connections here. So then as soon as they get here, I already have some 90s somewhere. I'll dig out and probably chop a few of them in half, and use it to make, or start making the manifolds. I'm probably going to make it on that old block down there like I used to. I'll drag it in here and get it set up, but I'll probably finish tearing this down, check all the bearings. I'll probably reuse the rings. I don't know if I'm going to reuse the bearings. I might not. I haven't decided yet. It all just depends on how I go. But yeah. These shoes. I need to cover this up. But anyway, keep an eye out for that. That'll be coming up very soon. It'll either be the next one or probably one after that. So stay tuned for that. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you guys know it's coming. Stay tuned.